Is your hot water tank leaking? Call Water Out Now first. We even offer 24/7 emergency service. We are local and understand the Columbus area. Stop dangerous mold from hurting you and your family. We will extract the water fast and dry and clean any affected content. We accept all insurance companies, so give us a call now. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.